But we hold it every second year just because of the nature of animation. It takes, several years to get an animation production going. This is our 10th anniversary. So in the current climate where there's, we mentioned there's lots of existential threats to the industry, I think it's even more important that we come together in an industry to celebrate our people, celebrate our creativity, and just get together.
So we work across various organisations that support youth creativity, from Fetch Film to Dingle Animation. And I suppose what's really, really great to see the journey from these kind of student filmmakers, then getting their first foothold in the industry and then appearing on stage at an event like this evening. It's really, really important, we feel, that they're the next generation, and as a public service broadcaster, it's a key imperative that we're there every step of the way.
It's just so important for us to get together and have this special night together. We're a very collegiate community. We want to keep it that way. But for many years, we didn't have our own way to showcase and celebrate what we do. So it's just to honour that, really, to honour all the hard work and the brilliance and the talent. We're really, really thrilled.